Which among the following search engine is a search tool that uses another search engine data to produce their own result from their internet meta? Changing desktop wallpaper is a simple task which can be accessed through section of all control panel item. Personalize. What is the name of Google optical head mounted display design in the shape of a pair of eyeglass? Google Glass. Which of the following operating system provides immediate and accurate responses within the allocated time constraint? Real-time operating system. In which group can you find or replace text and select text or object in a document? Font. Copying a process from memory to disk to allow space for other processes is called swapping. Which one is a typical rectangular shaped monitor that you see on a desktop computer? CRT. In SQL, structured query language, which one is used for any changes made during transaction and it does not made to the database? Truncate. Which among the following is a language used in a computer that is very similar to the language of human and easy to understand? High level language. Dash is a technical standard for accessing information over a mobile wireless network. Web. Which of the following option will not be helpful to instruct Word to stop bulleting paragraphs? Click the undo button on the standard toolbar. RARP was used to translate hardware interface address to protocol address. It stands for Reverse Address Resolution Protocol. Which of the following can be termed as end-user program that enable the user to complete tasks such as creating document, spreadsheet, etc.? Application software. Which of the following is a widely used programming language for working with relational database? Structured query language. The main component of a computer communicate with each other through which of the among the following? System bus. A set of communication standard for simultaneous digital transmission of voice, video, data and other network services is known as LAN. Dash is a secret computer program designed to provide continued access to a computer while actively hiding its presence. Rootkit. Which among the following term is used for unauthorized copying of software to be used for personal gain instead of personal backup? Software piracy. Which command divides the surface of the blank disk into sectors and assign a unique address to each one? Format. Which one of the following describes program that can run independently, travel from system to system and disrupt computer communication? Worm. When a computer is turned on, which of the following is run by BIOS in order to check whether all the hardware components are working properly? Power on self-test. In which of the following process the changes made in the linked object do not reflect and save in the original document? Embedding. In the terms of structured query language, which among the following command is not an example of data manipulation language? Create. What type of monitoring file is commonly used on and accepted from internet sites? Cookies. Which number system is commonly used as a shortcut notation for groups of our binary digit? Hexadecimal. Command at the top of a screen such as file, edit, format and tools to operate and change things are incorporated in maneuver. Which among the following is a command of the data control language, a subdivision of structured query language? Truncate. Revoke होगा. Which part of the hardware compensate the difference between the CPU and the peripheral? Interface. Which among the following option is the line that describe the content of the message while sending an email? Which is subject. In which of the following processes the changes made in the linked object do not reflect and save in the original document? Embedding. which one represents a collection of objects having some same characteristic properties that exhibit common behavior. Class, which process check to ensure the component of the computer are operating and connected properly. Booting, which one of the following will remove all records from a table including all spaces allocated from the records are removed. Truncate, in database, DICE is procedural code that is automatically executed in response to certain events on a particular table in a database. Trigger, hardware devices that are not part of the main computer system and are often added later to the system. They are called peripheral. American Standard Code for Information Interchange ASCII encodes 128 specified characters into 7-bit integers. Which one is used for renaming the column name temporarily and it will not affect the database? Column alias. For child table, foreign key is going to pointing the primary key of foreign table, so it is called as referential integrity key. Referential integrity key. Which among the following contains the temporary data such as function parameter, return address and local variables? Stake. In Microsoft PowerPoint, two kind of sound effects files that can be added to the presentation are dash and dash respectively, dot web files and dot midi files. तीन को गलत हो गया. In which group can you find or replace text and select text or object in a document? Editing. In SQL, which one is used for any changes made during transaction and it does not made to the database? Abort. A set of communication standard for simultaneous digital transmission of voice, video, data and other network services is known as ISDN.